In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your default save location to OneDrive. If you use Microsoft Office apps like Word, Excel, or PowerPoint, setting OneDrive as the default save location can make your workflow much smoother. It helps keep your files backed up, easier to access across devices, and simpler to share when needed. The good news is that this change only takes a moment, and once it's set, Office will guide you towards saving to OneDrive by default instead of only saving locally on your computer. To begin, open any Microsoft Office app. You can use Word, PowerPoint, Excel, or a similar Office program. The exact app doesn't matter much for this process because the setting is found in a similar place across these applications. Once the app is open, look to the top toolbar and click File. This will open the Backstage menu where you can access settings for that application. Next, look toward the bottom left area and select Options. In some versions of Microsoft Office, you may not see options immediately. If that happens, click More first and then choose Options from there. This will open a new window with the application's settings. Inside the Options window, look at the panel on the left side and click Save. This section controls how and where your files are saved, so this is where you'll make the adjustment. Now find the checkbox labeled Save to Computer by default. If this box is currently checked, clear it by clicking on it once. Removing that check tells Microsoft Office not to default to saving files directly to your computer first. Instead, it will prioritize cloud-based locations like OneDrive, assuming your OneDrive account is already connected in Office. After that, click OK to save the change and close the options window, and that's all you need to do. From this point forward, when you create or save files in your Office apps, OneDrive should appear as the preferred save location. If you're signed into Microsoft Office with the correct account, this setting can make saving much more convenient and help reduce the chances of losing important files stored only on one device. As a quick tip, if you don't see OneDrive appearing properly after making this change, make sure you're signed into Office and that OneDrive is connected on your device. But in most cases, once you clear that Save to Computer by default option, you're good to go. Thanks for watching, and now you know how to change your default save location to OneDrive.